Hello dear friends, how are you today? This is Bahara Masali, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make great sentences in negative form and question form in simple present tense. Okay? If you want to know about the question form and negative form of the simple present, watch this video until the end. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Okay, if you like it, share with your friends and click on the notification bell. So, let's start a new lesson. So, let's start with a positive sentence. Okay, I know that this video is about a question form and negative form of the simple present tense, but I want to show you how to make great sentences in negative form and question form. Okay, so let's listen. Okay, for example, I swim. Okay, I swim in the swimming pool. What is a verb here? Swim. Yeah, swim is a main verb. So, if you want to make a negative sentence, okay, first with negative sentence, I want to teach you, okay, you just add do or does plus not plus base form of the verb or plus main verb. Okay, for example, I swim in the swimming pool. We add do plus not plus swim. Okay, swim as a main verb. I do not I do not swim in the swimming pool. Now with other subject pronouns, I told you I, but say it again. I do not swim in the swimming pool. You do not swim in the swimming pool. We do not swim in the swimming pool. We say they do not swim in the swimming pool. She, he, it as a third person singular. Say she does not. Okay, say she does not. She does not swim. Okay, swim or main verb. Okay, any other main verbs. Say she does not swim in the swimming pool. He does not swim in the swimming pool. It does not swim in the swimming pool. Okay, as you see here, it is very hard. It is very difficult to say I do not. Okay, we do not. It is not. I think it is very hard to say. But if you want to, if you want to speak more fluent, or if you want to speak faster, you can use contractions or contraction form of the verb. For example, instead of saying I do not, say I don't. Okay, say I don't swim in the swimming pool. Okay, you say you do not. Instead of saying you do not, say you don't swim in the swimming pool. Instead of saying we do not, say we don't swim in the swimming pool. They don't swim in the swimming pool. She doesn't swim in the swimming pool. Okay, instead of saying she does not, she doesn't. He does not, he doesn't swim in the swimming pool. It does not. Okay, we don't say it does not. Okay, we can say it. But if you want to speak faster, say it doesn't. It doesn't swim in the swimming pool. It doesn't swim in the swimming pool. In order to make a question sentence, you can just use do or does at the beginning of the sentence, and then use subject pronoun plus base form of the verb. Okay, for example, do you swim in the swimming pool? Do I swim in the swimming pool? Do we swim in the swimming pool? Or again, do you as a plural, do you play in the swimming pool? Okay, we does, okay, we don't say does you, does they, okay, does we. It is not correct. Don't use it at all. Just use does with she, it, he. Okay, third person singular. Okay, say, does she swim in the swimming pool? Does he swim in the swimming pool? Does it swim in the swimming pool? Okay. And okay, just this. And then I should say that these are yes no questions, and the answer to these questions are, for example, do I swim in the swimming pool? Yes, I do. Okay, if I ask myself, yes, I do. No, I don't. Or you can say, okay, maybe I ask another person, do I swim in the swimming pool? Yes, you do. Or no, you don't. Okay, and for example, does she swim in the swimming pool? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, please ask me. Please tell me to make a better video. And if you want to have a new lesson about the subjects that you like, please tell me. And nothing more. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.